What's up, my fellow Forex traders? I have a signal for you guys, a potential breakout into a good trend that can happen. I'm a little late on this signal, so I'm sorry about that, guys. I have put in a trade, and I was making the video, but for some reason my laptop messed up on me, so I had to restart it, install updates, but here I am again, guys. So this signal is for the New Zealand US dollar, a buy stop at 0.64544. So what I see happening here is, first of all, the 20 and the 50 moving averages have barely crossed, which is one of the indicators that I use to make sure that something might happen. It's not always guaranteed, but it helps. And we have this trading range that's going sideways. And if you zoom out, you notice the previous high was right here. Now this is the daily chart. This signal is for very, very long term trading. Okay, guys, this is going to take months maybe. All right, it could take days, no, it could take weeks, or it could take months for this to materialize. All right, the previous high is over here, as you could tell, and over here, like I said, moving averages crossed barely over here, and it looks like it might. When I first started the signal, put this buy stop, the price was way up here, but it looks like it might break out. I'm gonna put a line right there so you guys know where I'm talking about. Right there. So it might break out right here, but where I really interested in is if it would break out over here, because here's the previous high. So that's what I'm more concerned about. If it goes past the previous high, that's where it could be a potential trade. And I put these lines right here. This is what I predict is going to happen. It's probably going to go up, similar to where these lines are at. So we'll see what happens, guys. Stay subscribe and stay up to date with my channel, and we'll see what happens. So I'll continue to update videos on this New Zealand US dollar pair that looks like it might have a good trend coming pretty soon. If you guys think otherwise, let me know. Go ahead and comment on the comment section of the video. Don't forget to subscribe so we can continue to take a look at this, and I'll see you soon in the next update.